Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about Laravel Authentication. As you know, we implement login and registration in most of our web application. If we implement authentication manually and develop manually, it will take lots of time. But you no need to do manually because Laravel provide us a preset of authentication through one composer package, Laravel UI. It's very simple and easy to set up, and you need to install it in your Laravel application through Composer, and then approx 2 or 3 steps you need to do. So let's follow the steps that are given into the documentation and do it right now in my this Laravel application. First of all, we need to fire this command composer require Laravel UI. So let's do composer require Laravel UI. And as you see here, 4.2.2 is installed. Let's open composer.json and you can see 4.2 installed successfully. Now we need to fire one command with dash dash auth. So this command generate all the basic stuff related to login, registration, password reset and everything. So I going to fire php artisan UI bootstrap dash dash auth. If you want to use react, if you want to use vue, you just need to fire or choose from these two command. So right now I go with this command and let's fire and check what happened. This command generate all the basic resource and routes and everything. As a next step, we need to install npm as well as we need to fire npm run dev. So this npm run dev command build all the basic css and js from the resource, and we need to first fire this npm install command. So this command install all the npm dependency from the package.json. Let me show you package.json file. It's updated after firing that command. You can see core.js, bootstrap and sass is added into the package.json, and also white.config is also updated, and these two file add into the input, and we need to add these two file into the build because as you know this file used by the resource which is published here. So let me show you home.blade.file created, layout created, and you can see both file used with white directive. So we need to run npm dev and this white directive get that from the build, and you can see here all the authentication view files are generated and published here. Login, register, verify, and see all these blade group with the password because all the belongs to password stuff, means confirm password, email and reset. So all these file are published here and you can customize it as well. But now let's see npm install successfully. Now let's run npm run dev command and it's success. Now let's refresh this and I just going to pass login here and you can see login form. First of all, let me register with the Laravel package. Email is info@lpt.com and let's enter password. If I not enter confirm password and click register, it's not allow me to go next and submit form. It's give me validation error. So it's everything is by default you get with this. And now you can see registration is successful and I got basic dashboard. And log out, if I want to log out I can do it. And then let me go with the login and let me give that same lpt.com and let's, and you can see you are logged in. So you can easily create authentication in Laravel within few minutes using this official package. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel.